Hi guys, and in this video we will start working on the next section in our web development career path. So the next section in the Learn HTML module is called Tables. We have one lesson, then we will have a quiz game again, and then we will have our second project. This time it is related to tables. So let's get started with this section. This is going to be our first exercise on HTML tables. So introduction to tables. That's how this section is called. There are many websites on the internet that display information like stock prices, sports scores, invoice data, and more. This data is naturally tabular in nature, meaning that a table is often the best way of presenting the data. In this part of the course, we will learn how to use the HTML table element to present information in a two-dimensional table to the users. So we are going to create a tables in our HTML page. So let's get started. Instructions. Take a look at the code in the body of index.html. What new code do you see? Explore with the code in this file and try modifying something at random. And what happened? Let's see. Okay, the doc type declaration, HTML element head, we have the title, we have the link element. This is how we import the Google fonts for our page. Then we import our style sheets, our style CSS file. Then we have the body, we have the UL. We already learn about ULs, li, images, div, and then this is the new element right here. It is the table element, and here is our table right here. You see we have the table element, then we have the head element, and it has its own table row element, and then in table row element you place the table cells or th element in this example, because this is the t head, and that's why we are using the th element. Otherwise you could just use td element or table data, but because this is the heading of our table, that's why we are using the th elements for table cells or table data. Then we have the t body element. It is just like t head element, but it is the body of the table, not the header. Then we have once again table rows. It is this whole line. So these three elements, this one and this one and this one, are all placed inside of this tr element or table row. You see Adam's Greenworks right here, then we have the 14 right here, and then we have the package items right here. So we have three table data elements. This one is th again, because I guess it is just semantic related in this case, but you could also change it to td element. Everything stay the same. You see, everything is the same. Then we have another tr element right here with three table data elements. another one, another one, another one, and another one. So what we learned that for tables we have a main table element, then we have the t head element where we should place our heading, the table heading in this case. Then we have the t body element where we should place our table body. And then we have tr elements or table row element. It is the whole row. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that should be all for this exercise. We learned how we should structure the table elements in HTML. Let's proceed to the next exercise.